Nanofabrication is the practice of manipulating matter and constructing molecules on a nano level. Fabrication factories will be large at first, like early computers, but over time they'll be able to fit on your office desk. Powered by flexible solar photovoltaic panels, a user will be able to pour some raw materials, water, dirt, some rare elements, powder, etc., and the fabricator will tear apart the molecules and reassemble them to create anything imagined. James Burke, who hosted BBC's Tomorrow World and is a proven track record in technological predictions, believes that nanofabrication will be possible by 2042 and that it will change the world forever.